students, today I am going to introduce new chapter, chapter 8 measurement. You already have learned this chapter standard, right? You have seen measurement of length, measurement of weight and measurement of capacity. In this chapter we are again going to see all these things. This is your warm up page given in your textbook on page number 140. So you can solve this by your own based on your previous knowledge. So moving ahead, we'll see first measurement of length. Different units commonly used for measuring length are kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Kilometer is more than meter, which is used for measuring the long distances. Meter is the basic unit of length, which is used for measuring length and height. Centimeter is less than meter, which is used for measuring short length. And millimeter is less than centimeter, which is used for measuring very short length. Hence we can say that kilometer is the biggest unit of length, whereas millimeter is the smallest unit. And meter is the basic unit of length, just keep it in mind. Now we see the conversion. Children, here you can see, here some relationships are given between the units. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Children, when we go from bigger unit to smaller unit, we always multiply. Here you can see, when we go from kilometer to meter, we always multiply it by 1000 because we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. When we go from meter to centimeter, we multiply it by 100 because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. And when we go from centimeter to millimeter, we multiply it by 10 because 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Similarly, when you go from smaller unit to bigger, we always divide. When you go from millimeter to centimeter, we divide it by 10. When we go from centimeter to meter, we divide it by 100. And when we go from meter to kilometer, we divide it by 1000. Based on this, we have a checkpoint on page number 141. You can see. Look at the first one. 5 kilometer is equal to how many meter? Children, just now we have seen 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? Hence 5 kilometer is equal to 5 into 1000, that is 5000 meter. Now see the second. 5 meter is equal to how many centimeter? See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Hence 5 meter is equal to 5 into 100, that is 500 centimeter. Now coming to the third one. 5 to how many millimeter? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Hence 5 centimeter is equal to 5 into 10, that is 50 millimeter. Now see the fourth one. 500 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? Now here we have to change the unit from millimeter to centimeter. Means we need to go from smaller unit to bigger. So when we go from smaller unit to bigger, we need to divide, right? So here you can see, when we go from millimeter to centimeter, we divide it by 10. So 500 millimeter is equal to 500 divided by 10. It will be 50 centimeter. 1 0 will get cancelled, so the answer will be 50. Now see the fifth one. 500 centimeter is equal to how many meter? See, when you go from centimeter to meter, we need to divide it by 100. So when you divide 5000 by 100, 2 0 will get cancelled, right? And we left with only 1 0 with 5. Hence the answer will be 50. 5000 divided by 100 is equal to 50 meter. And now the last one. 5000 meter is equal to how many kilometer? When you go from meter to kilometer, we need to divide it by 1000. So 5000 divided by 1000 will be 5. So 5000 meter is equal to 5 kilometer. So children, like this you can convert the unit from one to another.